Experiencing SMS problems on Consumer Cellular? It's often due to incorrect messaging settings, not hardware. First, verify your SMSC number. This is the network hub that routes texts. For Verizon-based Consumer Cellular lines, the correct SMSC is +240822799. To check updated on Android, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Advanced, Access Point Names, MMS SMS Settings. Input the correct SMSC and save. Next, try the airplane mode trick. This resets your phone's cellular radio. Enable airplane mode for 30 seconds, then disable it. This forces your device to reconnect and clear potential interference. If SMS issues persist, consider a device reset. Start with a soft reset by restarting your phone. If that doesn't work, try a network reset through Settings, System, Reset Options, Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. This targets connectivity issues without erasing your data. As a last resort, a factory reset is an option, but remember to back up your data first. Finally, consider that SMS technology is becoming outdated. Consumer Cellular is rolling out RCS, which offers improved reliability and features. App-based messaging platforms like Google Messages, iMessage, and WhatsApp are also great alternatives. In the long term, relying less on SMS and migrating to RCS or app-based messaging will offer a more robust and reliable experience.